Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 6 April 2026, Nifty index opened negative by around 300 points and fell to 22,182 levels in the first day, after which it witnessed a rebound of 600 points. The index inched towards 22,800 towards the last hour and recouped all its intraday losses. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame with long lower shadow, indicating buying at support levels. It formed a small-bodied bullish candle on the weekly frame but is still making lower highs from the last 7 weeks. India VIX was up by 2% to 25.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.09. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,200 to 23,500 zones. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 9,230 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 6,710 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 16.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 22,650 for the bounce towards 23,150 levels, while support can be seen at 22,500. Bank Nifty has to hold above 51,250 for a bounce towards 52,000 levels, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 50,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Coforge, HCL Tech, Nykaa, Marico, Hindalco, Trent, Persistent and Titan, while some weakness could be seen in Biocon, PG Electroplast, Hero MotoCorp, United Spirits, Inox Wind and Bharat Forge. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.